Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future, beyond the world of Superman. Episode 9.3 Rainbow Multilingual Edition Notes to Global Readers. In the first published version of this book, the English content is generated by software translation. And in the purely English version, around 80% of the articles achieve roughly 80% translation accuracy, while around 20% of the articles achieve roughly 50% translation accuracy. Therefore, for global English readers, the optimal way to proceed is to read directly the Chinese plus English version, since when readers encounter parts of the English text that are not smooth or that clearly contain errors, they can directly copy the corresponding Chinese sentence of that English passage and send it to the AI with the translation instruction. Please let the AI translate sentence by sentence and provide comprehensive, all-dimensional, in-depth explanations. And in this way they can instead obtain answers and explanations that are even more comprehensive and all-dimensional, approximately attaining 100% restoration of the original Chinese or being extended by the AI to a dimensional range that goes beyond 100%. And this is at present one of the effective methods. Readers of all national languages globally can use the same method, copying the Chinese text and sending it to an AI with the request, "Please AI, translate sentence by sentence," providing a comprehensive and multi-dimensional in-depth explanation into the reader's native language. "Please AI, translate sentence by sentence," providing a comprehensive and multi-dimensional in-depth explanation of all meanings into the reader's native language. This sentence can be directly copied and used by global readers to send to an AI. This is one of the currently effective methods. The second effective method involves comprehensive explanations of the book's understanding by global internet bloggers. Different internet bloggers from various countries worldwide will possess their own insightful perspectives and diverse, multi-dimensional comprehensive explanations. This is analogous to the Chinese Laozi's Dao Di Jing. Although it only contains about 5,000 characters, there are approximately thousands of interpretation versions in languages across the globe, because every individual will have their own unique understanding. In the future, the Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century series of books will feature accurately translated versions in various national languages. Currently, the problems encountered with software translation require the understanding of global readers. Please see the next episode. Episode 9.4 Rainbow Multilingual Edition Notes to Global Readers, for more shocking and exciting content. Oh, this episode has ended.